My name is NjorogeBigscope. I'm in construction industry as a building contractor, where I help my clients to achieve their dreams of having a home. It is a dream of many to own a home, and it's a basic need that should be realized according to someone's preference. So welcome on. I'll be taking you through this. It's a process that will take, I believe we're going to be tackling quite a lot. Welcome again. We're looking at how to get started in construction. Because you see, most of the people don't know, or rather they lack that chronological sequences of where do you start, what goes where, that process. And that is why I'm here. So I'm here to partner with you in realizing this. And for anyone who maybe is planning to build, you can always talk to us. Our numbers are projected on your screen. You can reach out. We'll start from where do you start when you want to build. It will begin from having a plan. No, before you get a plan, you need to have your land. You have to have a land, and in this case, if you want to, because you have to go through the process of project approval and registration by regulatory bodies, by the county government, you need to be the legitimate owner of that land. So what do you need to have? You have to have some documents. Those are the documents that are needed, and this will include a title deed, a surveyor's plan. We also need a KRA PIN, land clearance certificate by the county government, and the most recent search. Again, if you're planning to do a commercial building, apartment, high-rise commercial building, you need to also have a change of use, because maybe land was registered for agriculture and now you want to do commercial. So that is why you need to have the process that maybe as we continue with our episodes, we are going to tackle on project registration. Not project registration, but change of use. And once you have these documents with you, you look for an architect. It's the main consultant that comes first. Once you get an architect, you let the architect understand what you plan to do, what you want. That is the sizes of your rooms, the number of rooms that you need, any orientation that you want your building to have, to encompass. You let your architect know. And then our architect will take the details on what you're intending to do. We will put them in paper and prepare a proposal, a sketch proposal that is put into paper as a drawing. And this proposal is presented to you by the architect, describing and illustrating, letting you know exactly what he has put there. And once he has taken you through, there will be a copy that you will call the final drawing, because you're in agreement that this is what you want. The orientation of the rooms, arrangement of the rooms, number of rooms, and utilization of these rooms. For example, if it's a four-bedroom house, there are things that come with it. Maybe you look for having a kitchen that has a pantry. How about it? How are you accessing it? What can you store there? Such things. Once you are comfortable with what the architect has presented, it will now be for the architect to introduce or to nominate or to get a person that will work together. Now the team will start building, bringing in the personnel who are taking part in this project. And the next person to come in will now be the person who now designs the integrity, the structural soundness of that house. And this is the structural engineer. He's coming in to look at reinforcing your building, to make it that it is withstands the live loads, the dead loads, the wind stuff, and to make sure that it stands the test of time and the building is habitable and safe. That is the work of an engineer. He will look at, he will design for you for structures, that is the beams, the columns, the foundation works, the slabs. And this is where now the engineer will now come up with the kind of steel that you need, the number, the thickness of steel. You have steel of different thicknesses, the number of them, how do you use them, the bar bending schedule, the arrangement of the spacing, and the class of concrete, the thicknesses of beams, depth, slab, foundation, how it looks like. That is now the work of engineer. Once the engineer has done that, another guy is coming in, and this guy is now the quantity surveyor. The quantity surveyor will take we call them taking off. We take off the volumes or units of your building from architectural, both architectural and structural drawings now presented to the engineer will be used. He will use them in conjunction to come up now with the bill of quantities.